What's up, babes? Welcome back. If you're new, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hunty, let's get down to business. So, classic ball cap method. Start with the ghost bond. Get on there. That lace firmly into that glue. Now, once I let the glue dry, I did go ahead and start cutting it off to the front with a razor. I like to do it with the scissors. But recently I think I've really fallen in love with doing it with the razor because it gives it more of a taper and that way I don't have to worry about it not being seamless enough to the scalp. And of course I'm going to go ahead and give her a few little touch-ups just to make sure the edges are flat laid down. The next step that I'm going to do is, because as you can see, and I'm going to zoom in on it, you can see her lace is rather whitish. This lace is transparent, however, I still wanted to give it some color, so I tinted it with my own little formula. I was trying out a couple things one day and then discovered that, boom, lace tint, yes, hunty, yes. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this with a little bit of lace tint just to make sure that it will be her, just to make sure that the lace will be her color. So I only sprayed one coat of lace tint onto the lace, and then I just went ahead and then just dried it while it was still on her head. Honestly, the last few installs that I have had to put tint onto the lace, I have had to, I usually do it beforehand. But I kind of find that if I do it while it's actually on the client's head, it does not disturb the glue, nor does it, but it actually helps me tint the lace to their scalp more perfectly if it's actually on their head versus me tinting it first and then putting it on their head, because you honestly won't know that it's their right shade unless you put it on their head. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit to show you guys how much the change from the from before. I'm actually going to go ahead and put that other clip right here as well and show you the before and after. So I'm just pulling her baby hairs to the back, making sure they all are facing one way so that when they form, there's not any strays on her forehead. So just to form her edges, I'm using this extra large edge control brush with some Got To Be mousse. The one in the yellow can always does the best to me. And I'm just taking that and then swooping some of her hair around, start forming her some swoops. She does love swoops. So I'm gonna go ahead and just form. And then after I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and give her a head wrap so that they can dry. Now, when it comes to maintaining curls like this, it's always best to just have some water and some conditioner handy in a spray bottle. You can use any type of spray bottle. Spray bottle is always way better than just dipping it into some water or something like that. You can always just wet the hair back up and then it'll retain its curls. Using conditioner in there will allow the hair to stay nice, fresh, and just make sure that the curls stay popping. You can also use some type of curl mousse or curl defining gel or something like that. But what I'm using right now, I'm using the Got To Be Kinkier curl mousse. It had her waves. I mean, not her waves. I mean, they're waves. They had her deep wave wig popping, like so. It was so cute. Yes, hunty. So the last step is just to get her all dry and ready to go, hunty. Yes. So I did dry her by hand. I also did put her under a head dryer as well. And here she is, hunty. Yes. So thank you, babes, for watching. I would love to see you back here next time. Have a wonderful day. Okay, baby. Bye.